Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. Today is Saturday. Today is农历的7月多少？This is how easymtcc.com customer is going to cook the dishes in their own house, in their own microwave. Just put all the ingredients to the clay pot, then turn 18 minutes. Then throughout the world will eat these dishes. No chef neither. Microwave is the standard chef in the world. Do all the jobs done by chef before. Wow, that's why this business is called Easy Meal, easym360.com. Going to start this business in China soon with my dream wife, Ang Kai Suan from uh, Klang. From Klang, grew up in Hong Kong. Yeah, she's now either in Hong Kong, Quy Yang, or I don't know where. uh, Dream wife.